De hamburgers komen bijna mijn neus uit. Maar ik heb er nog eentje te gaan. Van de king himself.
When we kiss, my heart's on fire, burning with a strange desire. And I know each time I kiss you that your heart's on fire too.
So this came from across the street.
Ja.
Only about an hour. It was ground about an hour ago.
Okay, what are you doing now? Because
I'm making small meatballs, small loosely packed meatballs. You don't want to press it too much.
Yep.
Your hands have heat, and your heat from your hands can transfer into the side of the meatball.
so you don't make the patty
No.
before you put it in the pan?
Absolutely not.
No.
What you want to do is you want to have a meatball that cooks like this for maybe 30 seconds or so, and then you want to press it then while it's in the pan. It basically makes for more of a marbled, loose patty.
Okay.
The onions actually go into beneath. You press them right in there. The idea is trying to press the onions in there. There you go. This will cook for about another minute, and then we'll flip it over. The other side wants to cook more because we're going to cook the onions into the burger.
This doesn't seem so difficult.
No.
This smells good. Oh. Doesn't need anything else.
Right.